Oos, Impzです. Hey, what's up, konnichiwa. So in this video, more cool stuff from One Hobby Gallery 2023 spring. And in this video, we take a look at this Guts bust, the Guts Berserker Armor bust. And this is by Max Factory. And this is coming out as a special bonus if you buy the special edition of the comic Berserk 42. So I guess Berserk 42 is coming out in September. And if you buy the special version, it comes with this Guts bust, and so yeah, that's why this is 7,990 yen, which is 7,990 yen. So yeah, the only way to obtain this is to buy the comic Berserk 42. But yeah, interesting stuff and looks cool. And not so expensive. I mean, you figure the comic itself is about 500 yen anyway, so yeah, it's kind of reasonable. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね、うっす。Thanks for watching.